Hello friends, good morning. Today I'm going to show automatic vehicle. Okay, many more students they are requesting, sir, can you make one video for automatic, how to sitting inside car and how to use handbrake, gear and team and everything. So please watch this video full and subscribe also, like also. So I'm going to show you very easy trick. Okay, right now my car is off. I did not start. When I'm going to get in the car, what I need to first. Okay, example, when you are practicing also, every day you need to do practice. When you are sitting the car, first of all start your vehicle. Okay, and then use your hand here or here, adjust your seat, and then use your, okay, then keep your hand here, don't put here, keep your hand here, adjust your left side mirror. Okay, you know my how to adjust mirror in previous video, I saw that very clearly. And then right side mirror, then center mirror. Okay, I'm ready. Before you going to start, some students they are putting his leg here, don't put here, leg putting space, this one. Okay, and this for brake, this for accelerator, brake, accelerator. Okay, now it's clear. Some people the leg here keeping left side leg like this, some push down side, some people here, some pull here, don't put here, because car or company already giving you to put your leg here, okay, in the corner, and use your right leg, brake and accelerator. Okay, same thing. Now I'm going to show you how to use gear. Okay, you can see here right now I am P, R reverse, N for neutral, D for drive. Okay, so very easy. When you are going to practicing, you can see from there. Okay, some people they are looking this point, what I need to do, see. Okay, right now is going to D drive, and you can see here also D drive. So don't go to look and gear, don't look here, look there. Okay, very easy. And then release handbrake. And how to release handbrake, that also I'm going to show you how to release handbrake and how to apply brake. Okay, I'm telling to you, handbrake using like this is the use for handbrake, and I need to down handbrake, pull up and press the button and go down. Very simple, very easy. Okay, you also
Can I do again?
handbrake use and handbrake down, pull up and then press button and down. Okay, and stop sequence, what I need to do for a stop sequence, like I drive and come to parking, what I need to do first, hazard light or what? No, first handbrake, then gear shift P, put hazard light. If you are not in the proper parking, just maybe temporary, you park outside or on the road or somewhere, temporary parking means hazard. Okay, only for emergency, like you are going on highway and something you see there is the emergency, you can apply this one, hazard light. But sometimes parking case also need to use this hazard light, because you know I come here for only 1 minute, I need to wait and then I need to move. So 1 minute or 2 minutes parking, you can use this hazard light. So stop sequence, first we need to do handbrake. Handbrake how to use, you can see here. Okay, and then gear shift P and then put hazard light. Okay, and move sequence, first hazard off, then shift gear, handbrake and put indicator, check left shoulder, everything back, right side, right shoulder, and everything fine. I can start driving. Very easy. Okay, so now you know stop time, first handbrake, and moving time, last handbrake. How? 1, 2, 3, and off the indicator is 4. This is stop. And moving time, 1, off. If the hazard light working, off, and then put gear, then handbrake down, then check right and left, put indicator, then shoulder and start moving. Okay, very clear. So keep watching my video, continue, and you can see my previous video. There is 155 minutes video, very powerful and helpful, that will be help you how to drive. Of course there is some good more information, like how to exit from highway, how to enter in highway, how to make U-turn, signal and right, left and straight, that, and roundabout also, right, left, straight, and which road have how much speed limit, same limit you need to drive, like below 80 speed rating, 75 drive, 120 rating, 110 drive. Like 100 driving, 90 drive, like this, 5 point, 10 point, you need to less drive. You cannot go same because the camera everywhere have. Okay, and also always take care your rules. Always follow the traffic rules, guys. When you are driving, do not use your mobile telephone or anything. Okay, concentration, give more pay attention while driving. When you are driving, start sitting here. Always follow the traffic rules, what you learn from starting. Okay, what have in traffic. Okay, always you need to follow the traffic rules. Do not